what is common, you think, in your life, in your approach, in your motivation, in the to JEE preparation, Ironman, Policy Bazaar? What is common?
यार
What?
मैं I said this to my children also,
Hmm.
and I would say to everybody. Most people listening are by, like, they are 20
Yeah,
years
younger
younger to
people.
me. Yeah,
Hmm.
I'm kind of almost going to be 50. Yeah, decision is a very important thing. We shouldn't take decisions lightly.
Okay.
And I told my children, मैंने अपने दोनों बच्चों को बोला था कि when they were about 11-12 years old, कि यार डिसाइड कर लो लाइफ में, अगर तुमको ओलंपिक वाला जीतना है तो डिसाइड कर लो. मैं गारंटी देता हूँ जीतोगे, उस बात की मैं गारंटी देता हूँ कि तुम जीतोगे 100%, 100%. बट डिसाइड कर लो लाइफ में करना क्या है, राइट? और एक बार डिसाइड कर लो ना, उसके बाद उस चीज से मत हटो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, चाहे वो आपका जेई हो, चाहे वो आपका कैट हो, चाहे वो पॉलिसी बाजार हो, चाहे वो आयरन मैन हो, चाहे वो स्विमिंग वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप हो, चाहे वो एक्स हो, चाहे वो वाई हो. इट विल नॉट बी इजी.
Of
Problem will
course.
come.
Hmm.
At times it will sound stupid. When I was training for the Ironman, भाई 5 घंटे साइकिल पे बैठ के चलाते रहो चलाते रहो चलाते रहो. Even for me who loves sport, it seems stupid. Because तुम अगर 6 घंटे बैठे हुए हो उस पे, साइकिल पे, छोटी सी साइकिल पे, लगातार चिक 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 चला ही जा रहे हो एक कमरे में बैठे हुए, you know, it's madness, right? It's madness.
Yeah.
So at times you will have to do things which look mad. That's a necessity. That is part of achievement, right? They will not make sense. You have to do it. But अगर वो नहीं करना, मैंने अपने बच्चों को एग्जैक्टली यही बात बोली थी. मैंने कहा कि डोंट हैव रॉन्ग एक्सपेक्टेशन. बिकॉज जब बच्चे होते हैं ना, बच्चे को हर एक को ही होता है कि मैं ओलंपिक मेडल जीतूंगा. मैंने कहा ओलंपिक मेडल मैं गारंटी करता हूं, ये मेरी गारंटी रही. अगर मैं ना कर पाऊं, मुझे गोली ठोक देता. मैं गारंटी करता हूं ओलंपिक मेडल आएगा. लेकिन कमिटमेंट है कि नहीं, सोच लो. दे बोथ सेड नहीं है, हमने कमिटमेंट नहीं करनी. क्योंकि भाई इट इज अ वेरी बिग वर्ड. कमिटमेंट इज अ वेरी बिग वर्ड. इट्स अ डिसीजन इज अ वेरी बिग वर्ड. उसके बाद you will keep doing all kinds of stupid things and you will not give up. So I think that helps a lot. Like my wife does a job which she does not like. She's done it for the last 12 years. She does it every day. मैं उनसे एक ही बात कहता हूँ, and then every day she will tell me I like parts of my job but I don't quite like it. मैं एक ही बात कहता हूँ, जो भी करना हो लाइफ में, एक बार सोच लो, मजे से करो, खुशी से करो. मतलब बार-बार मत सोचो यार.
Yeah, I mean, आपकी फैमिली में सारे इतने खुददार लोग हैं क्या? Your dad doesn't let you buy sabzi, and your wife who doesn't like her job, but she's a billionaire's wife now, she doesn't want to leave her job. ये क्या खुददारी चल रही है?
नहीं यार, we are lucky. We are lucky. We are very lucky.
Yeah. No, I'm
We
just
are very
joking.
lucky.
In fact, my previous deep talk was with Amit Lodha, who's our batchmate from IIT Delhi, who's an IPS now and an author,
Yes.
and he was mentioning you on how he said he went through a very depression-filled phase in life where he was not confident, job nahi lag rahi thi, and he mentioned how you kind of pulled him out of it, the depression.
Yaar, I am very grateful that Amit is a lovely chap. He was your batchmate. He was one batch my junior. He's a lovely chap. I've always liked him, respected him, and I think what he's achieved, kudos to him. I was in fact telling my children about him the other day that he really likes being a police officer, and we have over time developed a lot of common friends. Like your books, I've read his books also. So I think all those things are very much there. I'm very grateful that I could. I was very surprised myself to hear that I had at some point helped him. I'm very happy that I could do that. A few people have said that to me. I think so see, for everybody who's listening in, it's 100%. I'm saying this because I want to genuinely help. It's
फिर हिंदी में
100%.
यशीष ताकि ज्यादा को समझ, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, जस्ट हिंदी में बोल दो ताकि लोगों को ज्यादा समझ आए.
यार ये 100% गारंटीड फॉर्मूला है लाइफ का. जो मन में आए, वो डिसाइड कर लो, उसके बाद सोचना बंद कर दो, और उसके बाद पूरे जोर से उस चीज के पीछे लग जाओ।
Okay.
वो चीज होगी ही होगी, 100% होगी, 99.99 नहीं, 100%। टाइम लगेगा, टाइम बहुत लगेगा, एंड देयर विल बी डाउट्स, देयर विल बी पेन, देयर विल बी स्टूपिडिटी, देयर विल बी एवरीथिंग, बट होना तो 100% है, उसमें कोई शक नहीं।
Yeah.
It's a rule of life.
Yeah. And for those who don't understand Hindi, guys, all he said is decide, then stop thinking about it and just go for it.
Exactly. जैसे मैंने लिखा था एक टाइम पे, मैंने आईआईटी में पढ़ते टाइम ये लिखा था, कैट फॉर नाउ। मेरे को भी याद है वो वर्ड्स, 3 वर्ड लिखे थे मैंने अपनी डायरी में, कैट फॉर नाउ। व्हाट दैट मेंट इज अगले 6 महीने में कैट करूंगी। और भाई एट द एंड ऑफ इट हमारे आईआईटी से सिर्फ 5, भाई आई वाज नॉट द ब्राइटेस्ट, हमारे आईआईटी से सिर्फ 5 लड़के गए थे आईआईएम में, तो मैं भी उनमें से था। ठीक है ना, मतलब क्या बड़ी बात है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि भाई तीर मार लिया, बट द पॉइंट इज, ठीक है ना, दैट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट यार। तुम यू नो फ्रॉम एन प्लेस लाइक आईआईटी, तुम उन 5 लड़कों में से हो, मतलब देयर मे बी इन 50 पीपल हु ट्राइड, राइट?
Yes.
तो आई थिंक लड़के लड़कियों में से, तो बट आई थिंक once you decide anything is, you will achieve it, there's no doubt about it, I have zero doubt.
Yeah. How much is inborn intelligence? How much is औकात जिसे कहते हैं बहुत fundamental raw gray matter, and how much do you have seen in your experience in life, not just yours, other people also you have seen, कितना आपकी मतलब intelligence matter करती है और कितना is just this self
Boss,
discipline?
I will share one very personal thing with you.
Hmm.
My son, like me, was not very good in academics. I also wasn't very good when I was a child. And to get into his school, he took the test 4 times, 4 years. He came to India for 1 year, but he still kept taking the test. And when he got through the fourth time, he got through finally. He got the letter from the school that it's a school. I'm talking about class 6, 7, 8, that kind of test. 4th year he got in. And I remember he sent me a SMS saying, Papa, there are only 2 kinds of people in the world. One who give up and one who win.
Wow.
And to me, that was such a, so he had learned that one lesson from me. And then again, in about class 10, and I'm sharing this very personal thing, he told me that, Papa, I think I'm the dumbest child in my class. Okay, I've got it. And that's self-awareness. Right? But you know what? I'm going to work the hardest. And I went and told a very close friend of mine, Anuj Gulati, this. That यार मेरा बेटा ये बोल रहा है कि मैं क्लास में सबसे डम हूं, पर मैं सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत करूंगा. Anuj Gulati said कि भैया उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. Anuj Gulati आपका ही बैचमेट है.
I know him. Yeah, I know
जो
him.
रैली का चलाता है. उसने कहा अब उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. कि तो वो अब इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा है, ऑक्सफोर्ड से इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा है. He's also a medalist. He was a national medalist in triathlon.
Yeah, you guys have done races together, right?
Yeah, we raced together. All I'm saying is he is dumb, but he is very hardworking. Automatically, धीरे-धीरे you start becoming smart also. अब वो smart भी होने लग गया है. You get my point? Because with hard work you also become smart. तो भैया ये जो God given talent वगैरह वाली कहानी है ना, ये तो मतलब यार रहने ही दो. मतलब I don't think it really matters.
Okay, good. And I think लोगों को ये सुनना जरूरी है, because a lot of people feel यार ये लोग अलग ही होते हैं, ये कुछ अलग ही मिट्टी के बने होते हैं जो आईआईटी जाते हैं. That's not true, because I remember मैंने आईआईटी में लोग देखे, of course some geniuses come, but the lot of people are just जो घिस के आते हैं.
बिल्कुल. और वो घिस के वो स्मार्ट भी हो जाते हैं यार.
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं है.
obviously ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, फिर obviously correct. But ऐसा नहीं है कि they were born like a prodigy or something like that.
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बल्कि वो जो prodigy born हो जाते हैं बेचारे, मेरे को कई बार उनका दया आती है, because वो अपने आप को पहले सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं कि यार मैं तो पहुंच गया, मैं तो मतलब तोप हूं.
Yeah.
और फिर
my writing was like that. I was an okay writer to begin with, and but I worked harder than the others. I've written so many books. I mean, look, the fact is I've written output book after book after book for the last 20 years. and that's just घिसना. And I have become a better writer too. कर करके सीख ही जाते हो फिर.
Obviously,
Right.
out